At Dliet Football and Tigrinya Academy, we're igniting a passion for sports and culture right here in Birmingham. Imagine children laughing and playing football, their faces lighting up with joy. This isn't just about the game. It's about building a community where tradition thrives. Our expert coaches are dedicated to nurturing young athletes, guiding them through drills that enhance their skills while instilling values of teamwork and discipline. In our vibrant classrooms, kids immerse themselves in Tigrinya, surrounded by the rich heritage of Tegaru culture. This academy is more than a place to play. It's a celebration of who we are. With thrilling matches and cultural events, we're empowering the next generation to embrace their identity through sports. Enroll now and be part of this extraordinary journey.